Please watch all 4 videos on how to maintain your Filter Queen vacuum. Click the like button, subscribe to my channel, comment below, share my videos, and call me if you want to order parts or supplies. Begin by removing the hose from the dirt container with a counterclockwise twist and unplug the cord. Stick a screwdriver in that end right away because it's a common place that plugs up. Next, remove the cap from the top of the machine in a counterclockwise motion. This trick works on all models. Then hook up that end of the hose to the exhaust where the cap was. It's very important to point the other end of the hose to blow into the dirt container and not across the room. If you twist the hose one way between your hands, it'll shrink and contract. If you twist it the other, it'll open and expand. Now, with the machine running, begin twisting the hose from the exhaust top down so that it expands and you can work the plug out and into the dirt container. If the plug ends up being a screw or a nail, you can try and grab it with a coat hanger. Otherwise, you may have to cut it off. Don't use duct tape to fill the holes and cracks in the hose. It always ends up being a mess. Use electrical tape if you have to, and watch my 4 other free main videos to learn how to shorten some models of hose. And as always, you can call me if you need help or if you want to order any parts or filters or any supplies. Subscribe to my channel because I'll be making more free helpful videos. Please watch all 4 videos on how to maintain your Filter Queen vacuum. Click the like button, subscribe to my channel, comment below, share my videos, and call me if you want to order parts or supplies.